Unboxing home essential hand mixer including dough, hooks, and beaters. 250 watts, slow start, extra long power cord, 6-speed settings. Unboxing the hand mixer. First, this one. This one. The next is this one. This one with a long cord, and this one. This one is ejector knob. This one is 6-speed settings. 1, 2, 3. Where you want, like if you want number 1, so you can only number 1, number 2. So, and this one is turbo function. Okay, turbo function. And we have a brochure like this. This is the brochure. They have a safety instruction. Before use, make sure to read all the below instruction in order to avoid injury or damage and get the best result from the appliance. Make sure to keep this manual in a safe place. If you give or transfer this appliance to someone else. So, okay. This one first, we have to, for example, this one. Okay. And this one also. So this is it. So, and then if you want to remove that, you just only eject. And then if you want to remove only this one, using this one. Okay. And then also this one. Next is this one. You have to put how here. Okay. This one. And then if you want also to remove, this is a double. You just use this one to remove.
Nabili ko ito, mura lang.
This one, the cord is very long.
600 pesos or more. Kasi parang ano siya below 15 euro or 10 euro only. I'm not so sure but it's not reaching 15 euro. Pinakamura talaga siya. At saka I'm lucky to have this one because yung sa akin na ginamit ko, ano na siya, di na siya nag-function kasi old na. So, when I went to Action, I saw this one and I said I try even if it is cheap. Because usually, if the product is cheap, usually it's not working. So, we have to try if it is working, and what you have to do is only read the instruction, the manual. Try kung mag-function ba siya. Uy, ang 600 pesos ni function, ni andar. So, karamihan kasi sa atin mahilig tayong magbili ng mga mamahalin. Try to buy cheaper one. If it works, it's good. If it not works, wala na tayong magawa dyan. But try to buy a cheaper one because sometimes we buy the brand of the product. That's why it costs expensive. And also because they pay the store. But this one is really, really, really nice.